Hey, guys! Wait, what? Number, of course not. Wait. But before we do it, there's some rules. First, we can only use stuff from the toolbox. But I can edit those things. All right, let's go. All right, let's find Backrooms map. All right, I think I found the right one, but I need to move the spawn. All right, I finished. Let me test it. Well, that was pretty good, but it is time to add the monster. Let's test the monster. It's not that good, so let's add some more than polish than explore. Be it, so be also here's some more exploring, and that's it.